In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications in Microsoft Teams. If you find your inbox cluttered with notifications from Teams, sticking to our step-by-step guide will allow you to manage and streamline your email flow. This straightforward process ensures you'll stop receiving unnecessary email alerts for missed activities, allowing you to maintain focus and reduce digital distractions. First things first, open the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. Whether you're using the desktop application or accessing Teams through your web browser, the steps will be exactly the same. Once the app is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window where your profile picture is located. Right next to it, there should be three horizontal dots. This is the options menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. In the menu that pops up, select Settings. It's here where you can customize a range of features in Teams, but today we're focusing on notifications. So once you're in the Settings menu, click on Notifications. This section allows you to manage how and when you're informed about activities happening within Teams. Now that you're in the Notifications tab, scroll down until you see the Email section. It's here we're going to fine-tune what notifications you receive over email. You should see an option labeled Missed Activity Emails. These are the emails sent to notify you of any missed actions or messages while you were away from your Teams app. Click on the drop-down menu next to Missed Activity Emails. Here, you're presented with a few choices, depending on how you want your notifications managed. To completely stop receiving email notifications from Microsoft Teams, select Off. By doing this, you'll ensure that no email alerts for missed activities crowd your email inbox, allowing for more focus on other tasks or communication. That's it. With this simple adjustment, your email notifications for missed activities in Microsoft Teams are now turned off. This will help you better manage your time and prioritize the notifications you receive, helping streamline your workflow. Remember, if you decide later on that you want to receive these email updates again, you simply need to follow the steps we discussed and change the option back to your preferred setting. So there you have it. By following these steps, you're in control of your notifications, ensuring technology works efficiently for you. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.